Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will review on the Indie Wild Chumpy Hair Oil, one of my most favorite hair oil which has supported me a lot to grow my new hair, also to strengthen my roots from inside out. So today we're gonna review this Chumpy hair oil, the very famous Ayurvedic ancient hair oil. So let's get started. So what I loved about this product is firstly the packaging. See, this is the packaging from outside and it has the bottle inside. So the first thing which I really love is, see, it has this book inside. See, it can open like this. I think she's the mother of the CEO and here इसमें पूरा का पूरा उसके बारे में लिखा हुआ है, like how she made this potent blend. It has written like whatever things are inside it. First is the Bhringraj, one of the main ingredient I think which should be in the hair oil. Also along with that it has the jasmine, marigold, hibiscus, lavender, rosemary, neem leaf and amla. Okay, so this oil is for rupees 949. I have been using this oil from the past 3 years and I really love it. It literally grows your hair from inside out. It makes them healthier. But this is the new packaging and I got this 12 to 10 days before. I think it was the birthday of CEO and I got in 50% off. So thanks to me, I ordered it. But I think if it does a lot to your hair, then I think you should definitely buy it. Even if it is for 949, you can at least invest this much money on a hair oil, right? So I've already opened it and you can see this is the bottle. I think it's the lovely bottle I have seen. I just love it. इस bottle को देख के ना दिल खुश हो जाता है. So this is the miracle oil. Everybody said that. See, before I was having the hair fall, I was having a lot of itching and scalp issues the, because I am a girl who is into workout, who is into yoga. You can see a lot of videos of my doing yoga. So I used to get dandruff easily because of grease. Also I think I live in Dehradun, so यहाँ का weather ऐसा है, अगर सुबह के टाइम पे अगर धूप है तो शाम के टाइम पे it's mandatory to rain. So इसके वजह से क्या होता है, ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ जाती है. तो ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ने के ऑटोमेटिक क्या होता है, आपके इधर पे ग्रीस ज़रूर हो जाएगा. ऑल्सो यू कैन सी लाइक even though I have the oily scalp, but I need this. If somebody has the oily scalp, it does not mean that you do not put oil on your head. It is mandatory to put oil so that at least you get those essential oils to your head, to your scalp, so that you can do not just flush out all your hairs before you grow old, right? So I think you should definitely buy this. It has a very good smell. I just love it. If I talk about smell, I think it has this calm, soothing smell. How do I explain you? I think when you will buy it, you will definitely going to thank me. So let's just open it. And I think it has this, it is like a serum and it is really easy to use. So along with that, it has the super herbs. I really love the packaging and the bottle, right? So let's just use it. So I think कोई भी oil हो, अगर आप अपनी scalp में उसको लगा रहे हैं, it is really good if you just warm it up for a little while. Like थोड़ा हल्का सा गुनगुना कर लो. So sorry for the noise. So कोई भी oil हो, I used to put coconut oil in my hair, but मुझे जब से ये मिला है, I really love it. I always put this. तो क्या बोल रहे थे कि अगर आप कोई भी ऑयल अपने स्कैल्प में लगाते हैं तो हल्का सा गुनगुना उसको कर लीजिए। तो इसको भी मैं हल्का सा गुनगुना करने के बाद ही लगाऊंगी। फर्स्ट आप क्या करेंगे, एक वुडन कोम्ब लेंगे। वुडन कोम्ब इज़ रियली गुड फॉर योर स्कैल्प। प्लीज़ डोंट यूज़ दोज प्लास्टिक कोम्ब्स। चुप हो जाओ भाई, प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़। सो सॉरी फॉर द नॉइज़। सो हम लोग को प्लास्टिक कोम्स इसलिए नहीं यूज़ करने चाहिए बिकॉज दे आर नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल, प्लस दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर द प्लानट। आई थिंक वी शुड ऑलवेज यूज़ अ वुडन कोम। दिस इज़ really nice wooden comb which I really love. It's from the Nat Habits and it cost me around 300 or 400 only. So you can always you will find it in any website. Like in fact you can find it in Flipkart or Amazon. So I usually personally I prefer this. So firstly what I do is I just detangle my hair. So firstly what we will do is I think this much is enough and we'll do a partition and then apply it like this. It's really easy. इसको करने के बाद हल्का सा मसाज करेंगे। See, ये चम्पी ऑयल है, so you really need to massage this all over your head. If you have mothers around, see, अगर आपकी मम्मी आपके आसपास है, इससे अच्छी चीज़ क्या हो सकती है? Because मैं तो यहाँ काफ़ी दूर रहती हूँ। I usually do my chumpy myself. In fact अगर मैं घर में होती definitely मम्मी को बोलती and उनकी भी करती। Yes, chumpy. So I really love this oil. You know the scent. Also there is, I think there is a Ayurvedic practice that तेल कैसे लगाना है. It's like, I'll just show you. Just put your hairs down and then put some oil back here and massage like this. This is really a good way to make your hair much stronger. You know, इससे क्या होगा, आपका ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ेगा, आपके स्कैल्प में ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ेगा और आपके जो रूट्स हैं वो स्ट्रेंथन होंगे कहीं ना कहीं, राइट? तो अच्छे से चम्पी कर लेने के बाद आप whatever shampoo suits you, you can just wash it up. Not directly. At least if you have an oily scalp, then you can just leave this oil to 20 to 30 minutes. But if you have the dry scalp, then I think you should at least keep it overnight. It will hydrate your scalp, it will nourish your scalp, and you're good to go. I also apply this on my roots. So that they also get stronger. And does not feel dry. So I am done with this oil. Now I'll just style my hair and put clutcher on them. Until then I'll just do my other works and then wash it up with shampoo, a very mild shampoo after 30 minutes. Because I already have, like, my scalp already secrete a lot of oil. So I really love it. the review about it is that I like the packaging, I like the smell, and it has those super herbs